Hey guys, good morning. So today we might go to the Eagle Beach. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the Eagle Beach today, guys. I think it's one of like the top 10. My tour guide said it was like one of the best beaches. I don't know if in the country or in the world, but it was one of the nicest beach. So I'm definitely excited with that, and I just want you to see my view right now. How beautiful that is, right? So good. The beach, oh my god, I feel like the beach is always calling me, which is crazy. So yeah, how are you guys? I hope you are doing okay. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're healthy, happy, and content. So yeah, join me when I go to the Eagle Beach, okay? Love you, bestie. Hey guys, so today we're at Eagle Beach. And it's so beautiful here. It's so pristine and peaceful. Ooh, I use pristine. I don't know how to spell it. Wanna say hi, Doc? Hey,
Morning.
look at Mari.
Sexy Mari.
Look at that beach. One of the best. It's so beautiful. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. Hey guys, so now we're at Eagle Beach. It's so beautiful in here. It's so clear. So good. The water, guys, it's so cool. And now it's not that sunny, so I think my face is too white from the sunscreen. So, hey guys, so right now we're at Eagle Beach. It's one of the, I think it's like top 10 or something. I think I said that already, but yeah, we're at Eagle Beach, enjoying our time. It's so beautiful. The waves are calm, the water is clear. Yeah, definitely one of the best places to be in Eagle Beach. So Eagle Beach, go there. It's so nice, peaceful. It's not crowded and stuff. It's not like New Jersey or New York. Because I feel like New Jersey and New York will be packed right now because they're opening beaches there. I think yeah, because it's gonna be Memorial Day, so it will be crazy. But like this one, it's so beautiful. So, yeah. So hey guys, we're going back to the airport. We're not leaving yet. We're gonna drop her off later. Why do they have escort agency here? They literally have a billboard says escort agency. When in Aruba, you'll have fun.
You're alone, Ernest.
Gonna go to the airport right now. So hey guys, I'm gonna be eating my lunch right now. I got some sirloin, steak, jerk chicken, Jamaican style, chicken nuggets, and oh my god, I'm so excited to eat this octopus. I'm so excited. Yeah, so this is the bowl. It's over there. So he's gonna give us life vests, the flippers, this little here, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna burn again. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. I'm sorry, my English is not good right now. So yeah, we're moving now. Oh my god, my back is going crazy. We're sailing right now, and I'm so excited.
So at this point, we were diving. This is our first diving spot. It's an actual shipwreck, I believe. and there were a lot of corals, fishes everywhere. I wasn't wearing a life vest, so I'm gonna be going up and down to no. Here I really tried my best to swim at the bottom so you can see the coral, the shipwreck, but my breath can't do it. So this is the second diving spot. I think it's just around 10 feet. It's not that deep. There were a lot of fishes in there and I actually can swim at the bottom. I definitely enjoyed this one because the waves weren't that bad also, and it was just calm and beautiful. I hope you guys are not getting bored seeing fishes left and right, so just keep watching. So if you guys want to see a real merman, watch this. I don't know why, but I love being at the beach. This is the time where I can have fun, play by myself, and enjoy swimming with the fishes. I don't know why, but sometimes I feel like I can talk to these fishes. I'm like playing with them and it's just so funny. I know you're getting tired of me, but you're gonna see me again. Okay. Along my dive, I saw this beautiful, I don't know if it's a pufferfish, parrotfish, I'm not really sure.
Hey guys, so we're gonna have dinner now. We just finished the visit dock, snorkeling, and then we sailing. It was so beautiful. It was so good. And I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit tonight. So yeah, let's have dinner together. Of course, to start, we got bread and butter. So this is the tapas dish. So what is this? Olives or something? This is what? Salmon? And this is
Smoked salmon.
what did you?
Smoked salmon. This one is
Foie gras? Foie gras. So I got the mushroom ragout. I think that's what it's called. It's poached egg, mushrooms, and I don't know, mashed potato. We got salad with crispy shrimp. Let's open the egg together. So I got the lamb with curry and I think that's couscous. I don't even know what I'm talking at this point. And you got sea bass with 5 sauces. So yeah, hopefully it's good. Mine looks like a dog food. So yeah, this is literally my. So I'm going to try the lamb right now. It's lamb with curry. It's pretty good. The lamb doesn't taste as earthy. I'm trying to try the couscous. I think that's what it's called. It's like, I don't know, it's like small circles. It's like chalk. So we got desserts right now. I got the banoffee pie. This is like pineapple like in 3 different settings. She's making me a chocolate milkshake. So good. So I had to try their chocolate shake before I leave. This is the first time I tried it. When I was in Mexico, I think I drank like 4 milkshake a day. It's crazy. It's actually pretty good. The chocolate milkshake is good, guys. I love it. Hey guys, so it's our last day today. We're gonna be leaving around 12 o'clock. It's currently 8 a.m. here. We're gonna go to an aloe factory, aloe museum. So we're going to drive to the aloe factory. I think it only takes us 7 minutes. So yeah, we're on our way to the aloe museum. We're gonna ride our rental car. I think this is only like second time or third time we used it, so let's use it. Hey guys, so we made it to Aloe. It's this nice building, and hopefully we're gonna be touring around the farm, so let's enjoy it. Aloe.
They started only working with this, with the yellow saib right here.
Oh really?
Why is that? Each one different ingredients, different fragrances. We have bed bombs, bed salts, just like clove. You will see that each one of the ingredients has its own properties. We also add to the products lemongrass, and we also add in the products blue juniper berry. Is the lab in the quality control room. So the people in black are chemists.
Yeah, so hey guys, we finished at the aloe vera tour. We bought some products and now we're going back to the hotel. Probably stop at like a supermarket or pharmacy. And that's Superfood Plaza. So yeah, I think there's like a supermarket and a pharmacy. So now we're gonna be walking inside. I'm sorry. Inside of this store. Let's see what's inside of it. I'm excited. I heard it's so big, so I'm definitely excited to see it. We're inside of the supermarket. This is Havaianas. Outfit check. I just went to the supermarket to buy travel bottles because we bought like a gel for sunburn and it works so well. It's Thursday, so I'm probably gonna be drinking. So I just changed to my beach outfit. Yeah, let's tan together. It's just so sad that it's gonna be my last day. So I'll make it the best for the last. I'm gonna be tanning. I'm gonna be sitting at the beach. So yeah, I don't want this to end. Maybe next time we'll go back to a different place, but definitely enjoyed the trip and I'm grateful and appreciative for wherever it is here, especially the beach and the sun and the wind. Thank you so much.
I just muted the sound because it was so windy here. Basically, I'm just saying that I don't want to leave. That's it. Even my camera doesn't want to leave. Look at this. It literally broke on my last day. It was crazy, so I'm gonna put my cell phone.
So my GoPro died, so
Video.
now I'm in lunch And we're gonna be leaving like around 12:30 at the airport. Say hi to my friend. Hi. We look good as fuck. Go Babbitt, go Babbitt, go. So, yeah. This is what I'm eating. I forgot the lettuce. I'm gonna get lettuce. So, this is my mom. Bon appetit.
Of course, we can't forget a TikTok intermission.
Guys, we're leaving now. This is my view right now. Bye, Aruba. Hey guys, hey guys, so I'm back at Dirty Jersey now, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed my trip, and thank you so much for watching, and bye.